Learn the benefits of social media marketing for your business in Zambia. In today's technology-driven society, it is a mistake that your organization cannot afford to make, not including social media as part of your business marketing plan. Marketing your client goods or social media services offers several opportunities, only a few of them. Social media marketing in Zambia improve visibility. One of the easiest benefits of social media marketing is to enhance the visibility of your company. Commitment and communication through social media with customers, staff and sponsors extends the reach of your organization and enhances brand awareness. Social media marketing in Zambia increases traffic to your website. The social media marketing inevitably adds to the website of your company and ultimately results in higher conversion rates. This is primarily because you can meet a broader audience of potential customers through social media. The more social media platforms you use, the more customers you bring in, it goes without saying. Remember that many people only use one or two social media platforms, so you can help to increase your chances of bringing new and diverse clients by spreading your content across a range of platforms. Contact me now for social media management and marketing in Zambia. If you learned something from this video, give it a like to support me and subscribe.